We got the Bluebird, and we got ourselves a Ridgeline up here. All right, let's go.
Who the hell can stop me? Go! Stop me. Go! Stop me.
This is right here in my backyard in Golden, Colorado. Lots of cool ridges around here. So hope you enjoyed that video. Appreciate everybody for subscribing to this channel. I think I'm up into the 700s now, so that's awesome. Appreciate y'all. Got a lot more fun videos every weekend, man. That's what I do. Appreciate it. And as always, keep on flying high, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.